In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gcash for CapCut purchases. If you want to unlock premium features in CapCut and pay with Gcash, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. Before we dive in, make sure you have the CapCut app installed and that you're signed into your account. It also helps to have a stable internet connection and enough balance in your Gcash wallet to cover the plan you're choosing. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. From the home screen, head to the Me section. On most phones, you'll find Me at the bottom right. This is where your account information, subscriptions, and offers are usually displayed. Next, look for the option labeled Claim Offer. This typically appears if there's a promotion or a straightforward path to upgrade to a premium plan. Tap Claim Offer to view what's available. If you don't see it right away, it may appear as a banner or under membership or premium options within the Me section. Now select a plan that fits your needs. You'll usually see choices like monthly or yearly. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, such as watermark removal, higher quality exports, or advanced tools. Prices can vary by region and currency, so confirm the amount before proceeding. When you're ready, tap Purchase. You'll be taken to the payment screen. Here, choose Gcash as your payment method. CapCut will redirect you securely to the Gcash payment portal to complete the transaction. Once you're in Gcash, simply follow the prompts on your screen. This typically involves confirming the amount, logging in if needed, and authorizing the payment. You may be asked to enter a one-time code for security. Keep that code private and enter it only within the official Gcash screen. Make sure your Gcash balance or linked funding source is sufficient, and be aware that small fees or taxes may apply depending on your location. After you confirm, you'll be redirected back to CapCut. The app should recognize your purchase and unlock your selected plan. If the premium features don't appear immediately, give it a minute or relaunch the app to refresh your status. You should then see your upgraded benefits active in your account. And that's it. Open CapCut, go to Me, tap Claim Offer, choose your plan, tap Purchase, select Gcash, and follow the on-screen prompts. With these steps, you can quickly and safely use Gcash to pay for your CapCut plan and start creating with all the premium tools.